Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2000 Hornet 32R. I guess you're gonna call it a Hunter Special. It's not a bad unit, but it's not a great unit either. So we're gonna dive in, take a look, and see what's going on. Manual awning that is shot. You can see up on the roof, they've done some patching. The skylight over the bathroom, that's pretty much patched up. Tires look okay. We have 2 entry doors. Let's take a look here. The floor's been replaced with the laminate flooring or whatever you call it. We've got a little soft spot right here in the corner by the fireplace, and it looks like the slide drags across the floor when you open or close it. Couch, dinette. New refrigerator, it's been replaced. It's an electric one now. But you know, it's got a lot of room here. Lots of storage. Shower area. That's a skylight that's been pretty much patched over. And our bed. Private entry. Carpet. Kind of a fixer-upper, Hunter Special. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.